viewers, today I have a new fan. It's a 9-inch Polo One box fan. My mom got it for me at a Salvation Army, and it is not used. I asked my mom, like, is this fan used? Because it looks fairly new. Oh yeah, Polo One, yeah. But and she said no, it's brand new in the box. So I was thinking, brand. I guess someone just got it, but they ended up not needing it, I guess, and so they donated it, and because it's pretty new, fairly new, and yeah. So my first time testing it, and here's the fan itself. My first time testing it. I haven't tested it yet, but for you guys, it's my first time, so I'll plug it in real quick. Sorry about the background, that's just my grandpa, he's here. Alright, now it's plugged in. Oh yeah, and I'll show you the back of it real quick. Here it is. Made in China. Model number MBF 918. And it's dated January of 2019. So it's almost a year old now. Because Christmas Eve 2019 as of the recording of this video. What I find interesting is this knob here, if that'll focus. There you go. See, 0 means off, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 on both sides. Kind of strange, but let's test it out. This must be low speed. It's fairly quiet. There's a good amount of air. It's quiet. I like that. It's nice. Medium, I guess, because it's more a little bit loud, but still it's pretty quiet. Not too noisy. There's a lot of energy. Here's high. It's a little bit louder on this, but it's not bad. And now let's try 1, 2, 3 on this side. That's kind of strange. Let's see what happens here. Low. Medium. No, it seems like more powerful. Or on this side. If you use this area, like this side of the speeds, it's more powerful on each speed. It's kind of more noisy. Very interesting. Never seen that kind of thing before. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.